Here we have a 1950s Ford Gumball Machine. It takes dimes. It's got the Jerry's Kids marquee, currently loaded with fresh gumballs, about a quarter of the way full. As you can see, it's one of the late 50s models. Has the embossed Ford Gum emblem on the base, which is stainless steel and chrome. The globe is plastic, and as you can see, it does have some wear marks and some scratches, especially right on the back from its days in use. I'll load up a dime to show you how it works. Insert the dime. It has been giving 2 gumballs. That time it gave 1. So as you can see, it does work well. Let me load up another dime. One gumball. So it's giving 1 gumball per dime currently, but it does work. There is no key needed for this. The key, the lock has been taken out, so you just need a screwdriver.